Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common yet nerve-wracking issue, a malfunctioning hard drive. If you've ever experienced the dread of your hard drive not responding or acting up, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore two simple methods to diagnose and potentially fix the issue. Let's get started. All right, folks, let's tackle this head-on. First up, we have the command line interface, or CLI, method. Now, don't let the jargon scare you. It's simpler than it sounds. Step 1. Fire up your trusty command prompt. Make sure to run it with administrative privileges. Once you're in, it's time to unleash the magic. Now, type in the command displayed on your screen. This little line of code will work its wonders and check your hard drive for any pesky errors. Patience is key, folks. Let the command do its thing as it scours your hard drive for any issues. And voila. If you're greeted with the message "zero bad sectors," you're in luck. Your hard drive is in tip-top shape. See? Easy as pie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Catch you in the next one.